Here's the word problem. Last week, Mrs. Wagner made 3 pumpkin pies, and her mom made 2 pecan pies. Each pie was cut into 12 pieces. Bobby ate 4 pieces. Write an expression to show how many pieces were left after Bobby ate his pie. Well, here's what I think. Mrs. Wagner made 3 pumpkin pies, and her mom made 2 pecan pies. To me, that sounds we have some pies and we have some more pies, and we're bringing the pies together to figure out the pieces, right? So what thinking pattern is that? Well, sum some more. And what operation is sum some more? It's addition. Okay, then it says each pie was cut into 12 pieces. Well, we have our total number of pies that were cut into pieces, and all the pieces are all the pies have the same number of pieces. So to me, that sounds like we are joining equal groups. And what operation is that? Multiplication, right? And then Bobby, so now we have all of our pieces. Bobby ate 4 of them, and we're looking for what is left. So to me, that sounds like we have some and some went away. Well, what is some went away? Subtraction. Well, we know that we're bringing the pie together. So we first had 3 pies and then 2 more. So we are going to add 3 plus 2. Okay. Oops, I think I wrote that a little too high. I'm going to actually put it over here. Okay. Well, to know all the pieces I had from all the pies I had, I need to take the number of pies I have, which I know is 5, and multiply it by the pieces in 1 pie. That will give me all the pieces I have all together. So how do I show the solver that I need to add 3 plus 2 first before I multiply by 12? Because I'm not going to multiply 2 times 12, and I'm not going to multiply 3 times 12. What do I do to tell them to add 3 plus 2 first? If you said add parentheses, you would be correct. So we need to put our 3 plus 2 in parentheses and then multiply by 12. So now, if I do all this, I know how many pieces I have altogether, so then I can take away the 4. Well, 5 times 12 is 60. So out of all the pieces I had, Bobby ate 4, and we're looking for what's left. Well, because of my order of operations, I know that multiplication comes before subtraction. So I can put minus 4 on the end. And so if they solve it correctly, that would tell the solver how many pieces of pie were left.